Today we have one pattern, one crochet hook, and 3 different yarns, plus one mind blown. Okay, maybe my mind wasn't completely blown, but I was in complete shock at how different one pattern would look in 3 different yarns, and I can't wait to show you guys today. Hey guys, it's Katie from Yarn Society, and today we're going to start out with my favorite yarn. It's Comfy Worsted by We Crochet. This is a cotton acrylic blend, and it is so soft. So this is my go-to. This is how my Kai the Kitty looked in this particular yarn, and nothing new for me here. She looked great, she was nice and soft, and she had great stitch definition. Next up, I used one of our favorites, and I know it's one of your favorites too because you guys have told me that I love this cotton. This is 100% cotton by Hobby Lobby, and this is how she turned out. She was a tad bit bigger, she had a really nice white color, and I just really love the structure of this cat. So this is another favorite of mine. Next up, I used Red Heart Super Saver, and I never used this yarn, so it was a bit of a shock to me that when you see Kai the Kitty, how bigger she is, how much bigger she is. I was just really in shock by this, and I don't know why. 3 things I noticed with the 3 different yarns was the size, the color, and like the smushability of them all. So let's talk about the color. This one is definitely more whiter, and it really made the other 2 look kind of dingy. For size, we can see here that the We Crochet is the smallest, and they kind of go up in size with a different type of yarn. So here the We Crochet is a cotton acrylic blend that was about 3.5 inches tall. My 100% cotton was almost 4 inches, and then the 100% acrylic was over 4 inches. So it really, not all yarn is created equal, and it kind of gives you a better idea of what my height was for my amigurumi pattern. Will definitely be different if you were to use like the 100% acrylic. For my smushability test, I want to show the acrylic here. It is really stiff, and I kind of liked it, and then I kind of didn't like it. My We Crochet is probably the softest, even though it's probably about the same amount of stuffing, and the 100% cotton is just a tad bit stiffer. So it's kind of our preference, like what do we like? I'm a huge believer that certain yarn works out for certain projects, so you can kind of see here what you might like for your future project. And just to remind you guys, I used a D crochet hook on all of these patterns, so the only thing that changed was the yarn. So I hope you guys liked this little yarn experiment. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials, crochet alongs, and also head over to yarnsociety.com for free crochet patterns.